Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert a Figma component into code the easiest way. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So let's say you have a frame in Figma design, right? And you want to convert it into code so that you can copy the code and develop it. So what you would do is you would need to click on any blank space around here, right click on it, and then go to plugins. You would need to use something called Figma to code. If you don't have it, you need to go to manage plugins and then search for Figma to code. You need to choose this one because many of these are not free and you have to sign up for it, but this one is the only one that is free. So click on it, and depending on the language that you want to convert to, let's say I want to convert to a Swift UI, I'm going to click on it, and then right now it's saying no layer selected because you haven't selected any component yet. So let's say I want to convert this frame into code. I need to click on this frame, and then as you can see, this is the code that you can copy into the development app. So you can either copy as a snippet or as a preview or as a short depending on what you want. And it also showing you the color palette for this frame, or you can also click copy and it should copy the whole snippet. And if you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.